Mahasivaratri. The 14th waning moon of every month is called as Maslik Sivaratri or Mahasivaratri. Mahashivaratri is one which falls on the 14th waning moon in the month of Masi, that is between February 15 and March 15, which is the darkest night of the month. Mahashivaratri is also called as a great night of Shiva. It has a lot of spiritual significance. People who miss their spiritual practices due to the busy schedule can make best use of this Mahashivaratri to regain the spiritual energies. Scientifically, this long dark night has the potential to balance the humors of the body. Now let's look at the do's and don'ts. Having bath twice is very important. Fasting is one important ritual for Mahashivaratri. If health permits, can fast or do partial fasting. Eat vegetables and fruits more. After sunset, avoid eating and drinking water. Hydration to Shivalingam for 6 kalas is important. If not, at least do during sunrise and sunset. Milk, ghee, honey, rose water, curd, and water can be used for hydration. People who are traveling can visualize in front of your closed eye and do puja and hydration. Chant Om Namah Shivaya. The entire day, this will help you connect with the divine. During Archana or Puja with Bilva leaves is very auspicious on this day. Listening or chanting Mahamrityunjaya mantra is important. Staying awake the whole night, do meditation and chant mantra because during the dark night it is easy to access Shiva's wakeful presence. Listen to Shiva Bhajan or sacred hymns. This is the day to develop awareness, introspect your life events. Do charity liberally to the needy. Feed animals and birds. Be in silence as much as possible. Use positive words and watch your action and emotions. Be in gratitude towards everything, especially with your parents. Maintain celibacy. Things to avoid. Avoid consuming non-vegetarian food. Avoid alcohol and other bad habits. Avoid using glass utensils while during hydration ceremony. Do not be harsh with anyone. Do not add garlic and onions. Do not eat stale food.